Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper question number 52. In the right type, A trade illustrated in the figure has gears with module M is equal to 8 per tooth. Gear 2 and 3 have 19 and 24 teeth respectively. Gear 2 is fixed. The internal gear 4 rotates at 20 revolution per minute counterclockwise. The magnitude of angular velocity of arm is dash revolution per minute rounded off to two decimal places. So this is the gear figure, this is the arm, this is gear 2, this is gear 3 and this is gear 4. So we uh, we have number of teeth on gear 2 as 19 and on 3 it is 24. Okay, so T2 is your 19 and T3 is 24. From the figure we can see that R4, this is radius 4, R4 is R2 plus 2R3, or we can say R2 plus radius of gear 2 plus diameter of gear 2 is R4. Okay, so R2 plus 2R3 is equal to R4, and R2 is MT2 by 2 and R3 is MT3 by 2 and R4 is MT4 by 2. So as all gears are meshed, so module will be same. So we have T2 by 2 plus T3 is equal to T4 by 2, and T2 is your 19, T3 is 24, and T4 comes out as 67. Okay, so now we will perform some action and see the result of these actions. So first action is arm is fixed and gear 2 is given 1 revolution. So arm is fixed means its revolution 0 and gear 2 is given 1 revolution, 1, and for 1 revolution of gear 2 we'll find out the revolution of gear 3. So we have N2 by N3 is equal to minus T3 by T3. Minus sign is because the direction of rotation of gear 3 and gear 2 are opposite, so that's why minus sign is there because they are in external mesh. So N3 will be your T2 N2 by T3 minus 1. So T2 is 19, T4, T3 24, so N3 is your minus 19 by 24. Okay, so for 1 revolution it will be minus 19 by 24. So we can write here revolution of gear 3 minus 19 by 24, and for gear 4 we have N3 by N4 is equal to T4 by T3. So N4 will be your N3 T3 by T3, because here minus sign will not be there because they are in they, they are in internal mesh. Gear 4 is internal gear and gear 3 is external gear. So that's the minus, they will rotate in same direction. So N3 and 4 will be in same sense. Okay, so N4 will be here N3 T3 by T4, and N3 is this quantity for 1 revolution of gear 2. So N4 comes out as, and T3 is 24 and T4 is 67. So N4 comes as minus 19 by 67. Okay, so we can write it as minus 19 by 67. So now second action is suppose instead of 1 revolution gear 2 is given x revolution and arm is fixed. So here it will be 0, here it is multiplied by x, here by x, and here by x. So now arm is also given y revolution, so we'll add y to all these. So y plus x minus 19 by 24 x plus y minus 19 by 67 plus x plus y. Okay, so that is a table. So now according to given condition, gear 2 is fixed. So here gear 2 is y plus x. Revolution of gear 2 is y plus x. So if gear 2 is fixed, it means x plus y is 0. So x will be equal to minus y. And second condition is gear 4 is given 20 revolution per minute. So we'll take the revolution of gear 4, that is x minus 19 by 67 x plus y. Okay. So it will be x minus 19 by 67y is equal to 20. Okay, so here x is equal to minus y, so putting y is equal to minus x, so x will be here 15.58 revolution per minute, and y is equal to minus x, so that is minus 15.58 revolution per minute. So here we can see that y represents revolution of arm. So magnitude of revolution of arm is 15.58 revolution per minute. Answer is 15.58.